Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So this video I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful reflection effect inside After Effects. This is actually a really easy. You can do this with a free Video Copilot plugin. So as you can see, let me delete my text and adding a text again, text, and just copy paste the reflection effect text, and let me adjust this text. So I'm going to adjust this text and let me of this title. So now I'm going to the effect and preset and search for the VC Reflect. So I'm just drag and drop on the text. By the way, if you want to learn how to install VC Reflect free, check this video on my channel. So this is my VC Reflect, and just drag and drop this after adding, and you can do this with this thing as well. And if I drag it like that to create a beautiful, now I'm just adjusting the amount, the opacity, and the blurriness, everything. Just you can just copy paste, copy my settings. And as you can see, this is my offset. It's perfect. Now I think 30 is best, and this thing might be around 0.50. And now from this, if I drag it up, as you can see, it's not good, so I need it to behind original. So that's the setting. As you can see, now it's creating a cool but really beautiful effect. So now I'm just adding this PNG, and I'm just showing you. I'm adding this reflection on this PNG as well, so you can see how it's work. As you can see, I fix it, just copy paste it, and I add a animation into the text. As you can see, I add animation to this logo as well, this PNG as well. It's perfect. Now let me adjust these keyframes, and now if I play, the setting is same. As you can see, this is really beautiful. Like, I add animation to the text, and I add animation to this play logo as well. So this is actually a really good effect you can create with free VC Reflect plugin, which is Video Copilot free plugin. This plugin is completely 100% free. You can create a beautiful reflection inside After Effects. So I'm just adding my keyframes of the position and opacity, and I'm just adding the bounce animation to this. Yeah, let's select the bounce, and if I play it, yeah, that's amazing. It's really beautiful and it's really cool. So this is how you can create this beautiful reflection effect inside After Effects. This is actually a really easy. And guys, I need your support. Please support me. And if you need any type of tutorial, let me know in the comment, and please subscribe. Thank you so much.